balding. I don't know if you can tell, but I definitely have hair receding on my hairline right here. Hello beautiful peaches of the world, I am back with another video. It's the month of June, which means summer's just right around the corner. So I wanted to start this off with not a makeup tutorial, but a hair tutorial. For those of you who have been having trouble with balding, I will give you some tips and tricks that will hopefully help you. So let's just get into the video. So that was my video on how to do the cutting of my hairline just so it looks like it's more full. You definitely do see the difference. I really am alright with how this turned out. I might fix it again later. I know I didn't do a good job explaining everything or actually doing the haircut, so I definitely recommend you to check out the link in my description box below. It's a video from a YouTuber named Heizle, I believe. She is the one who inspired this. I definitely did not use the same tools as her, and so I definitely recommend you to check out her video because she explains it thoroughly and you can get an idea of how to do it. So yeah, that is the hairline. Before I end this video, I want you all to understand other underlying causes of hair loss, and I definitely think you should experiment yourself to see what helps and what doesn't so you can fix this problem. So far it's going slowly for me, but I'm definitely getting my hair back. So the number one cause of hair loss is usually due to stress. It's not in my case, but definitely if you have a lot of stress in your life and you feel like you're always bombarded with work, you never have time to relax, I totally suggest you to just take at least an hour a day to just relax, revitalize your, just, you know, let go of the stress. Don't worry too much about it because trust me honey, it is the number one cause of hair loss, and you don't want to be bald by the time you're like 40, or in my case probably 30 because I'm balding so fast. Now the second cause is lack of sleep. Now I am someone who sucks at this because I sleep very late and I wake up very early sometimes, so I don't get enough sleep as I want to, and I don't have a constant amount of sleep. I am still trying to fix it, but definitely do try your best to have a constant sleep schedule every day and just get your right amount of sleep. I know it's hard because of insomnia, so try to figure out what is causing you to have insomnia and then fix it so you can get that sleep in, and so your hair won't lose and you won't be like all group fighting. Thing is definitely to check out if your vitamin D levels are low. Now see, I didn't know this until about a few months ago when I was looking up why I was losing so much hair, and I thought it was because of stress and my lack of sleep, but I had those fixed and I was still losing a lot of hair. And so I researched it, and you can actually lose hair if you lack vitamin D. So then I got recommendations from a friend to take fish oil because they have a ton of vitamin D, and also take vitamin D supplement myself. So these two things really helped a lot for me, but if you are allergic to the things in fish oil, I totally do not recommend you to take it because it could cause headaches and cause you to have diarrhea. So I definitely do not recommend fish oil if you are allergic to its content, but definitely do take vitamin D pills if you aren't already and you know that you have vitamin D deficiency. By all means, I am not a certified doctor, so don't hold me against my words. Definitely research it on your own and find out what works for you. So in the end, it's your choice if you want to do this. I totally definitely recommend it for you because it has helped me a lot. I have gained a lot of hair back. I mean, it's not significant like how it looks like now, but it's definitely a lot more than it used to be because I was almost close to not having hair here at all. And after taking it, it got better. So now, after all of those, you correct them, you're still losing a lot of hair. Why is that? You might want to check your shampoo. Your shampoo might be the cause of why you're losing more hair than often. Definitely, I used to use Pantene and it worked for my hair, but I noticed I was losing a lot more hair than I should, so then I switched later on. And I went through a lot of trial and error before finding the right one for me, and right now I think it's making me lose my hair more, so I might have to look into that again and probably fix my shampoo to help this problem. So those are the things you should definitely try out for your hair loss if you have that problem like me. And of course, I probably did miss a few more underlying causes of baldness. So I do recommend you to research on this, find out what's best for you, and definitely share with everyone what you've tried to fix this issue. And I definitely want to try it myself because I don't want to be bald by the time I'm 30. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please follow me on Instagram, thumbs it up if you enjoyed the video, and please click to subscribe to me. And I'll see you next time. Bye.